and it takes you into my favorite part of this phone, which is the fast lane. And as you can see, very, very vibrant. By the way, the phone is really, really fluid, the Nokia XL. I really like how the call notifications come up, how I can really take actions directly out of the fast lane without having to move anywhere. The personalization in it, you can easily just get rid of anything that you want by just clicking the cross button, right? And you can personalize it the way you want. And I've really seen a few consumers, and I actually said it in one of these demos that we did for Nokia X, but I saw a real use case of that with a consumer's device where this particular consumer, he had actually configured his Fastlane to just be his chat screen. So all of his chat applications, he would just run out of here. So he would turn off everything else and keep his BBMs and WhatsApps and WeChats and lines and what have you enabled here. So his Fastlane is his chat screen. And that I thought was really powerful because it really lets you control the phone the way you want to. And you don't need to get into these 5 or 6 different apps just for your chat. So that's the Fastlane for you, right? Also, like we saw with the Nokia X, this comes with a host of Microsoft services. I should have them here. So Skype, OneDrive, Bing, you have it there, the Outlook.com, all of these. The Skype is not preloaded on the devices in India. We have some legal restrictions on those, but you can actually download that from the store. And the Skype obviously works really beautifully with the 2 megapixels front-facing camera. OneDrive, we have a really exciting offer even here on this platform. So you have on this device, so you have the 7 GB free when you create the account, and an additional 3 GB when you enable the camera backup so that all your camera roll pictures get uploaded onto the cloud. I'm just getting a Skype call, so let's take that. That was right on cue. So let's look at the quality of the Skype also here. So this Skype, by the way, is completely integrated with my... Hey, Nisha's face has changed. Hey, Ila. How are you doing? I'm good. Looking really nice on this.
Thank you.
Alright, so we just get back to our demo. So that's the Skype quality. It's really, really nice to use with this front camera. Trust me. What I was trying to say earlier was that this is integrated with your Microsoft account. So when you log into Skype, you do it via the Microsoft account. So you can actually link any previous accounts that you've had. All of us have been using Skype. So now it's a single sign-on also to the Microsoft cloud, so to speak. You have the Outlook.com there, and obviously you have the Nokia services. So you have the mixed radio, you have the Here Maps with the turn-by-turn navigation and all of that. It's IPL season, so I was just looking at what does our mixed radio team have for us. They've actually created a KKR, sorry there's something wrong here. They've actually created a KKR special, which I was looking at. So a lot of tracks on IPL fever. So just a little bit of recap. It's actually downloading and I'll play it in a bit. You can actually access a whole host, I think 13 million was the last number that I heard, of tracks, stream them via this mixed radio application, download tracks offline, meaning the whole mix offline, which is what I'm doing here, which I wanted to show you, and have it for yourself, for your consumption, even without a data connection. And what I really like in this is the Play Me feature. Play Me is really simple, really intuitive. What it does is, all of us have our own music collections with us. We keep it on our SD cards, etc. It understands the kind of music that you keep with you, right? Your collection, and then it plays that genre of music back for you from our music store. So, taking a bit of time to download here, but basically this is downloading the whole mix for me, right? So this is hours and hours of uninterrupted play. I can obviously stream it directly, or I can download these mixes offline. At any point of time, I can have 4 mixes offline on my phone, which stay with me for 30 days. After which I can either refresh them, or I can download new mixes. So that's the mixed radio offering, right? We're also doing something very, very interesting with this phone, especially, so what is this phone about? If I talk about the specifications, it's about the monster battery, the 2 megapixel camera, and of course the brilliant 5-inch screen which enables you to do all that you want with your smartphone, and it allows you access to the world of Android apps, right? So we thought we'd do something really cool. The 2 megapixel front camera the first thing that cues to me is selfie, right? There's a whole wave of selfies in this country. I think we are all just obsessed with selfies. Selfies happening everywhere, not only in the country, in the whole world. That day somebody showed me a picture of a dog taking a selfie. I mean, how crazy are we going to get? But we think selfie is something that's pretty passe. So we thought we'll do something called Welfie. Do we know what Welfie is? Welfie is video selfie, guys. 2 megapixel camera, great for shooting your own videos, and tie it in with Vine. We know Vine. 6-second video format works brilliantly for me. So you know what? They actually made me shoot my own Welfie today, and I'm going to just play it for you. Let me just put it here so you can see what I'm doing. So let's find the Vine app. I will try not to embarrass myself here, but let's get in here. Let's turn the volume up. I just recorded one just before.
We always hold that size really matters. Mine is 5 inches, mine 7.
So this is the looping format. I don't know if the audio, can we just turn the audio on? So it was this really cheeky video somebody made me do. Actually what they've made me say here, because you can't hear it, it says, we've always heard that size really matters, and mine is 5 inches, my Nokia XL. So you can go crazy with the kind of ideas here. So this is Welfie for you guys. This is video selfies. This is something that we think is really, really cool. What I really liked was the Vine app on this platform. It's really nice to use. It's really cool. What I really like about it is the 6-second video format. In fact, something that I saw with a few guys in our office who were creating it is, there was this contest that our guys did on how quickly you can discover apps on this platform. Okay, and what they've done is they've actually created Vine videos. What it tells me, if you can discover an app and shoot how you discovered it within 6 seconds, and that's really, really quick to discover apps, right? So, talking of app discoverability, a little bit of refresh, and I'll just show you a few minor changes that we've done which just make the whole process a little better. So, like we know, we have the Nokia store right on top here. This has all your curated apps, top apps come up here, and if your app, the one that you're looking for, is not found in the Nokia store, then we lead the consumer to the third-party app store, right? Be it a One Mobile or an Aptoid or a Mobango or Mobo Genie, or there are a whole bunch of them. What we've done now, and let me see if I can just lift it here so I can type. So let me just look for an app which is. What we've done is we have a leading statement that we make to consumers. So earlier we would say, sorry, your application is not found, you can try here. Instead, what we've done is we are actually leading consumers to the exact store where we know that the app exists and works with the Nokia X platform. So we actually say found in, and we put the store there, and then we lead the consumer directly to that place, so that it's not that you're on a wild hunt for apps, so to speak. You're directed to the application where it exists. And you can just try it out. I'm not sure of any app right now which I can just show here which doesn't exist on our store, but when you have the devices with you, you can try that out. So I'll just pull it all together. What we're saying essentially is we started off with 3 devices which we announced. It's been 1 device about a month that we've seen out there in the market. We also launched the Nokia XL soon, which is coming here, which I will really encourage you to try out, experience. 5-inch display, 2 megapixel front-facing camera, 2000 mAh battery, access to the world of Android apps, Nokia plus Microsoft services, the cloud service from Microsoft, the OneDrive, Skype, Outlook.com, Bing search integrated out of the box. This is your whole AOSP offering that we have on this platform. What I would encourage us to do now, because I don't really want to take more time here and show you things that I'm sure everyone in this room really already knows. So what I would suggest is that we do a hands-on, right? So we'll just hand over devices to you so that you can experience the Nokia XL, and I will be around so that we can just interact and have a chat about it offline in terms of whatever conversations that you would like to have. Okay, thank you. Can we just start the hands-ons, please?